Watch that lightning. There they go. Where are they going? Hey! Morning, donkeys. Back to work, look.
There's the... That one's going to think, what are they doing?
Oh, look. They know exactly where to go, bless them.
That black one was the one who kept rolling.
He's cheeky, yeah. Which one are you wanting to ride on? Aww.
Why do you get to pick?
No, you don't always actually. It depends.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
That one's not fully back.
Go on, give us a roll again. Oh, look, that one's going. Ah, sand. Oh, they love it, don't they? Aren't you not going? Go on, you know you want to. The bus without a lid, as Grandma used to call them.
A double bus.
Double decker, yeah. Good morning, everybody. So, we have been for breakfast. I didn't film because it was stressful, wasn't it, Gracie? Mm. Obviously, with the whole corona and everything was different. You had to, well, it was just all different. I'll try and vlog it one day this week so you can see if anyone's interested, but it was just like, you couldn't just go and get, you know, what you normally, in a Premier Inn, normally it's like buffet style, you can just go and get whatever. The hot bit was the same, it was just there was a man serving it, so you just had to ask him what you wanted. But obviously there's all the one-way thing, you have to have your own mug and go and get a coffee, the mugs aren't out. You had to ask someone if you wanted yoghurt, and I'm assuming you could probably ask if you wanted fruit. They didn't have fruit out, but then it's finding someone because it was quite busy as well. So yeah, it was not much fun. But anyway, we've done it, we've had breakfast. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be a bit easier because we know what we're doing a bit. So yeah, we've just come back to the room, we got washed and, well, we were washed and dressed before we went for breakfast, you know, done teeth and whatnot. And we are off, aren't we? So me and Gracie today, we're going to go over there to Brean Down. We're going to walk up there and wave to our hotel, aren't we?
Yeah. Mum?
Yeah?
Is it that one or is it that one?
That one over there. Ahead. Over there. Yeah, so we're going to do that today. Josh and Amy, I think they said they're off to town this morning. They're just going to have a wander around probably. Yeah, and then hopefully the weather's going to stay nice. It looks alright so far. I think it said it might rain at about 3ish, but we'll be done by then. So yeah, what did you want to say?
Also, when you get to the top of the hill, there's this like stand which you have to touch, and then it shows that you've done it. Yeah,
yeah, Brean Point or something it's called. Yeah. Right, should we go then?
Yeah.
Let's get gone. I think everyone's holidaying in Weston. It's rather busy, isn't it? We're just sat waiting to get into Brean. So we made it. That traffic one, it was only because of the traffic lights, it wasn't that bad, was it? Once we got through that.
And
so
I have to count the steps and then I'll get a badge if I get it right.
Yeah, that man said if Gracie counts the steps and tells him how many, she'll get a badge, won't you? You ready? Wee wee first. So that's where we're going to walk up. Nice little house there, wouldn't mind living there. What do you say? Oh, there's a nice cafe, look, Gracie, where we can get an ice cream or something afterwards, if you earned it. If you make it to the top, I'll treat you to an ice cream when we get back down. Yeah? Deal?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're going to move here. It's for sale. No. How cute.
What, now?
Yeah, why not? Look at the little post box.
I'll never see Betsy and Evie again.
Oh yeah, well we'll get them shipped across.
Yeah, did you forget about them?
Well, we'd have to go home anyway to get our stuff. Right, let's see if we can do this. Oh, that one's cute as well.
And then I have to keep it in my head.
I know. Well, once you get to the top, we'll...
There's 5.
Keep going. It's This means I might get some peace and quiet, because if she's counting the steps all the way, she's not going to be able to talk to me. So I can just enjoy the scenery. I'm knackered already.
Let's all fly together, and I will show you a place you'll never been. I don't believe in never, 'cause suddenly somehow I came to be. Now it's time to gather all the praise. Let's all fly together, and I will show you a place you'll never been. I don't believe in never, 'cause suddenly somehow I came to be. And now it's time to gather all.
Definitely rabbits up here. Lots of rabbit poos and holes.
And now it's time to gather all.
I'd like to say I could tell you what this is, but I ain't got a clue.
It's a prison.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Lovely. So look, I can now link to 0. So A, G, 9820. I've just told you because I want to write it down. Are they boys?
Yeah.
And there's one which you said that were boys.
Yeah. Gracie wants to climb on this because it's got a 7.
That's how old I am.
And that's how old she is. You alright there, love? Are you?
I got up this by myself. Now, come on. You coming on?
I'm not 7. Cheese! So now we're heading up to the highest point, aren't we? We thought that was the highest bit, and we've just come over, and this is the highest bit. Up there, I think. So that's the point that Gracie wants to touch, don't you? But we'll show you when we get up there.
Yeah.
So many nice views. I can see it. We made it!
You made it! And I'm just sat on it.
Funny for legends, you and me. Oh, dance for the world to see. You and me.
So we're just having a little cookie break, aren't we? They're warm, so it's like almost like cookie dough. How do you feel knowing that you've reached the top? It's good, isn't it? It's rewarding. So now we're going to go, when we've had our little break, we're going to go down there and see the fort and then head back.
Can you show the hotel? Comment down below if you can see it.
So that's where we're going to head now.
Fort.
The fort.
Now, if you don't know,
May the fort be with us.
it's people who when the war was on, and like where they fought and that.
Fork?
Fort means fight.
Oh, fort. History lesson with Gracie Ann.
We just found it. So.
Do come in.
It's a roof, so. And I'm buying this house.
So you can see here that we have a room with a lot of potential. We've got a lovely air conditioning unit here. Yeah, beautiful. Drinks and refreshments. And we come out here. We're going to the other bedroom. We have a little shoe stroke sole area. More air conditioning. Hello. Oh, what's that? Toilet? Bathtub? Oh, we have a lovely bath here. Yeah, it's very nice. That's that little island that looks like a mouse that we're a lot closer to now. And next we're going down there. Oh, Gracie, don't go on the floor. Peephole. Oh, the views are so nice.
A candle.
Candle. A candle. Beautiful. Right, should we go see what else we can see?
Yeah. Right, I'm off back that way to go down.
No, you go down the steps, look, here. I won't go down there, that's dangerous. Come round here.
Steps.
Oh, actually, that... What now?
Dan and
Gloria.
Gloria.
They were here then.
1st June 2020.
Yeah.
Pardon?
They were here then.
So this was their home?
No, that was a couple of months ago. Someone's just written their name on here to say that they were here. Right.
Let's go to the next one.
Do come into my fort.
Guys, I just fallen twice. Mum. Did you do that?
No, I didn't actually. So
I fell twice.
Gracie's fallen, but she didn't fall off the cliff, so it's all good.
Yeah, that's why I like being in the middle.
Let's see what we can see. Or we maybe can. Let's go read about it first, over here.
Can make roads, which isn't very good. I don't like you writing my home. So, this is somewhere where you can do your sunbeams. And this, now, we compete on spelling. And they go down there a lot. So we put them here. Hide. Look.
This is where the gunpowder was kept.
This is our secret lair.
In there. Oh, it's nice and cool down here, isn't it? This is the barrack room, and it's where the soldiers would have lived.
Yeah.
This is where the soldiers would have lived. And their wives and children. All in here.
So this is where the guns were kept. So we have, this is where the most powerful gun was kept. Then, gun was kept, gun was kept.
Not many people have come to this bit, have they, Gracie? This is like right at the end. It's on rocks and everything. She's not scared. I'm a little bit scared. Oh, God. Right, you need to come back this way if you want to go over there.
I want to go on that bit. Yeah. I'll do that.
Don't fall.
Wait.
This is the officers' quarters. Yeah. And now we're going to head back that way. And we're back down.
What, did this used to be a car?
No.
Because look, there's a line in the middle.
That's that bike that man's just done. That was really good. I'm not sure what time it is. I think we've been about 3.5 hours, something like that. So we're going to go get a drink or an ice cream or something now.
Then we're going to sit on the beach for a bit.
How do you get out of this gate?
Then we're going to sit on the beach for a bit.
And then, yeah, we're maybe going to go sit on the beach.
And I might get slush.
Don't feel as hot down here though. It was boiling up there. Come on it. Look how red Gracie is. You look a tomato. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but there's a few rabbits.
take the flake out.
Is that nice and refreshing? And you've got a mixed slush, haven't you? Mmm. And I've got a Coke in a coffee cup and some crisps. Yummy, yummy.
We're just about to go and tell the man how many steps.
Should we go see if we can find him?
Bucket and spade, and then I'm going to play on the beach. He has a red t-shirt on, and he should be in here.
He's not in there. No. No. Go get a badge then. Yeah.
Be careful, you know there's got a little pin that can be a bit sharp. Yeah, but I'll let you choose which one you like. Okay? You put your hand in, choose which colour you like. I think it's 3 different colours actually.
Which one did you go for? That's nice, and that's because you counted all the steps, didn't you? Yeah. There we go now.
You know what I'm making, Mummy?
What are you making?
And you know the fort's here?
Hmm?
I'm going to make a fort sign.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, we've got the camp. We've set up camp, got my tent, got my beach tent. It's great, loving it. And it looks like rain over there.
When we've just set up the tent.
Hopefully we've got a little while before it rains.
Mummy's just sorting out the tent.
Well, it's sorted now.
And I've just sorted out my slush. So, and then...
Look at that rain. Ooh. Watch that lightning.
That's not good when we're on holiday.
This tent's blowing a bit. The rain's coming. It's raining. And the thunderstorm's coming.
Yeah, and
I'm in my tent anyway, so I'm quite happy.
And guys, I haven't even made one sandcastle.
Well, you have, but you keep knocking them all down again.
Yeah, because they're rubbish.
Well, the rain came. I said when it comes, it's going to come, didn't I? But we got off the beach.
Can I have another one, please?
Anyway, we're off to... we're a bit wet. We're off to Home Bargain. No, we're not. We're off to B&M now to get a couple of bits that I've forgotten. Shampoo for Gracie and whatnot. Yeah, and then we're going to go get showered and just chill in the room a bit before going out for tea. We've got a table booked tonight.
You can not rain, guys.
For tea, so hopefully the rain stops tonight so we can walk down to Nick's bar without getting drenched. Anyway, see you soon. Oh my goodness, we're all going on a summer holiday. I'm sat here having my coffee, not my coffee, my Pepsi Max, and there's a blooming man climbing the wheel. What's he doing? Don't do it.
Is it the person who
He's coming down now. Yeah, it is.
Why is he going up there?
I have no idea. Maybe he's locking
There's already
it.
someone in there.
In where?
In the wheel.
Yeah, there's a man in there as well.
And I noticed that.
Maybe they have to do that to close it up at night or something. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, we've just been having a drink and that, haven't we? Came back to the room. Gracie's doing TikToks.
It's not TikTok. I'm doing
right,
TikTok
okay.
here.
Yeah, we came back to the room and the maid hadn't been. I've just been Googling it, and I think unless you ask them to come in, they're not coming in the rooms now. So that's annoying, because obviously we've thrown last night's towels on the floor thinking, you know, they'll get changed, and they're obviously not. And we left a note out for the maid, asking the maid. But yeah, Gracie did this. because we wanted some more pillows. And obviously the pillow fairy didn't come, so we might have to ask for more tomorrow. Yeah, anyway, I'm off for a shower now. We've got a table booked at a place called Nick's Bar at 7 tonight, so they do nice food there and it's the 50% off, so win-win. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a drink, get showered and changed, and we'll probably see you at the restaurant. Cheerio! Oh right, yeah, in town.
There's Josh.
I know where it is.
Josh, say hi.
Last time.
I'm not used to walk past it.
Say hi, Mum.
Hello. What's that? Oh, it's nice. It's out of camera.
Hi. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Now.
Very nice, thank you.
Make selfies.
Yeah.
We're vlogging. Hi.
Well, anyway. She did put. Gracie, what are you doing? She did trip, but it wasn't near the edge. It's alright.
What from there you do?
I wanted to show you what is in my bag.
I don't know, because obviously I didn't take a picture of one roller coaster.
I think we should go on it again just to get a good
Yeah.
Just do this wipe at me.
And she knows that she's not going to die this time.
So, this is my backpack.
That would be a good one now.
What?
So you're all got to die. I'm free again.
This is a pom-pom. And then if you undo the zip, this way so you can't open the bag. So if you undo this
Can't see
zip.
your face, Gracie. Do you want me to? Cameraman, camera lady.
So I'm going to show you what I've got in my pockets.
Well, why do you have to lower the tone?
So, we've got some wipes.
What's Yeah, what's
Now
in my
in
drink?
this, and then this is my colouring book. So it's a nice, easy. So doing this picture. Now, would you like to colour for me for this amazing picture? Thank you, Amy. And then Amy, you are doing this picture.
That's for a clap for that.
I think we're clapping the waiters.
Greek restaurant. Start smashing the front.
Then I have this. Now what you have to do is get all these in line. So all the canvases has to be the same colour all the way down here. It's like a Rubik's cube.
She's had a few.
It's a cylinder.
Trying a bit of old mouth sign.
So let's start drinking.
Okay.
Thumbnail.
So
What can tomorrow's be? We leave 7-year-old in the cage.
Ready? Hold on. My phone. Do you need my phone?
Well, they almost did the Chinese did that earlier.
Did they?
Because the guy was like, oh, see you later, guys. And we were just about to walk off. Because we thought we had to wait for the bill to get brought to, which came to us, she was like, oh, maybe that's the only. I was like, no, it's the bill, please. And she was like, okay.
What can you see? Josh, are you going to reenact falling in a rock pool?
There's something there!
What is it?
I don't know.
Seaweed.
Oh, it isn't. Oh, where's it gone?
Oh god, this is not good.
Where you gone, mister?
I've got bubbles on.
Oh, it's
You've
gone
got bubbles
me.
on. Don't push your sister in.
Oh, that would be funny though.
What did you see?
I don't know what it was. It was like a worm.
Was it an eel?
No, because it was tiny. It was like what you like, Mummy. How?
Ho?
Something.
Say what now? Ah, stand next to your sister. Let's have a nice. Gracie's found a limpet.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys. I found some sandals.
Oh my god.
Now, when you eat the sandal, you need to make sure that you bite straight through the neck.
What?
There's Bear Grylls ring up. If you push me, I will break up.
I think I might. You're not going to break up with me, are you?
I will double.
Put your leg there and there.
Amy nearly dies jumping off the cliff.
Where are you? Mama?
Are you going to catch me?
Yeah.
No, I'd rather do it myself. Your sister, Josh.
What is even?
Nice pants.
Josh, be careful.
You won't be able to get it out anyway, whatever it is.
What is it?
It's stuck, that's all it is. What is it? Oh, great.
Skin.
Skin?
Give it him.
Careful, Gracie.
Mum, trust me. I climbed over that. My girl.
No, no. Try not to hit other.
It's pretty. Isn't it, Dora?
And I found some, well, Amy found some pottery and gave it to me.
Yeah.
Look. Pottery here.
We're in Cazza's.
I forgot to send my shine.
What are you having, Gracie?
Snarty's cookie there with ice cream on.
What are you having, Amy? What are you having, Josh?
Why?
Uh-oh, I don't think you are.
I thought you wanted the fudge one.
You best go up.
It's like I'm having fudge.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
So you saw us in Casper's last, and we came out and it was peeing it down. We had to run back to the hotel, absolutely peeing it down. I'm absolutely drenched. I've just wiped, I have mascara all running down my face and everything. But yeah, it's been a nice evening. So tomorrow we're off to Wookey Hole Caves. So we've got to be up and on, we've got breakfast at 8:30, so looking forward to tomorrow. So I'm going to end it here and we'll see you in the morning. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Go. Take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up, I just can't say it enough.